And you know those overwhelmed cute videos that I like to make and you like to watch. क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ मैं? I feel that I am Bubble. Like, who's the prettiest girl at the party? Hi guys, Sat Shri Akal. My name is Ankita Chandwani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing my 5 favorite coffee mugs. Personally, I live on coffee. If I get up and I don't get my black coffee, I get a little
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
like that. But I have traveled a lot of countries and I have really learned a lot of cultures, but my personal favorite is just go and buy coffee mugs. It's my personal favorite. Please comment down below and tell me what are your hobbies, and I have tried something new. So yeah, I think without further ado, let's get into the video. So every mug has a story and I'm not gonna bore you much, but I would just put it in short कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और मैंने ये मग क्यों चूज़ किया. And मुझे ना ऐसी सारी वीडियोस देखना बहुत पसंद है where people have hauls or collection of mugs. So I thought let me also try and let's do one. So this is the first mug. This is the Christmas tree mug. I got it from Starbucks and you know it was this Christmas collection last year. I think my favorite holiday has to be Christmas. I really like it. And मतलब मुंबई में तो नहीं चलो, but whenever I'm traveling, the lights are beautiful. The Christmas light makes you happy. Everything is so beautiful, and I really like it when I have like a Christmas mug and I'm getting up in the morning with a bright color and a Christmas tree. I still use it. It feels like a holiday to me, and I actually enjoy drinking in it, and I feel that जब आप सुबह सुबह उठो कुछ bright, कुछ beautiful that you really love and you actually sipping on it makes me really happy. So this is one of them. So आप लोगों में से सबने डिज्नी प्रिंसेस मूवीज़ तो देखी ही होंगी और सबकी अलग अलग फेवरेट होगी, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड टेल मी कि आपकी फेवरेट डिज्नी मूवी कौन सी है. माइन इज़ ब्यूटी एंड बीस्ट and this is the second one that I got. I can't tell you how much I love Belle. She's my favorite princess. I really love Belle, and Beauty and the Beast concept, the whole movie is my favorite, and of course I had to get a memory of it. I got this from Disney USA. When I saw this mug, I was like, what a unique collection. And it's so pretty. When I drink, I feel like royal and Belle, and I really like it. So, you know, for me, every single mug is like, wow. But I really like to see them, and when something I find such a piece, I would like grab it. And when I'm home reading a book, something like, it is so aesthetic, of course. So this is like my second favorite. The third one, I am a very big fan of Disney. I'm traveling soon and the travel vlog are gonna come very very soon. And the third one is as you can see, Stitch. I love Lilo and Stitch. He's my favorite cartoon character. Like, I love this alien so much. And if you have not watched Lilo and Stitch, India में ज़्यादा लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, but I have watched it and I really like him. Like, he's my favorite character, as you can see. And you know, sometimes I got this from UK Disney, and just look at this beauty. So pretty. Aww. I have this collection of collecting Stitch also and collecting mugs also. So whenever I get up in the morning or in evening, I'm having like, I like to drink, you know, एक चीज़ मैंने पढ़ी थी कि जब आप it's really important is it you और क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ मैं,
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि आप it's very important to choose a mug which you are drinking coffee in, like in your own house, that makes you feel so relaxed, so lovable. Like मेरे लिए तो definitely है. So this is like the third favorite because I love my Mr. Chu.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
I really like to get up I really like to get up with morning motivations, and I really like them. That makes me like very powerful. Fourth favorite has to be this girl has goals. I really like to get up with like motivational stuff, and I always get up and get so much motivation. I think कि जिन cups में quotes होता है ना वो आपको बहुत motivation देते हैं. This is my recent purchase, but it has become my personal favorite, and this is my go-to right now because of the working, the whole thing that's going on. It gives me a lot of motivation, and of course, such a pretty one. Of course, I love pink. My last but not the least, of course, तो ना बचपन में जब हम कार्टून देखते थे हम थोड़ा उनसे लाइक करते थे कि अरे ये तो मैं हूँ. तो फॉर मी इट वॉज ऑलवेज पावरपफ गर्ल्स, एंड आई वॉज ऑलवेज बबल्स. ऑलवेज आई एम स्टिल बबल, लाइक टीम बबल. आई फील दैट आई एम बबल. Like, who's prettiest girl at the party?
Starts combing her hair so she'll be the prettiest girl at the party. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
I feel I am Bubbles, and when I saw this in Istanbul, I grabbed it immediately. Like when I get up, I am also like very sensitive, very likey. When I have mornings that are like gloomy and dewy, and I drink in this, and I'm like, I am a Powerpuff Girl. So yeah, like this is the cute. As I said, just mug में आप पीते हैं ना वो motivation आती ही आती है, and like. It's just beautiful to have this collection and different kinds of mugs, like what I'm feeling today. So this is it. This is for my random mug collection video. I really like watching them, so I thought let me make one. These are my top 5 favorites. Of course, I have like a lot of collection tumblers and all, but these top 5 are the one that I use on the regular basis, and I really like them, and I told you why. That you can just watch it, enjoy it, and those overwhelmed cute videos that I like to make and you like to watch. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm traveling, and where am I traveling? Please stay tuned to that because travel vlogs are coming soon. So yeah, and thank you so much for all your love and support, and Vaheguru bless you all. Then bye.